Hello, hello, hello. How is everyone doing? I hope you can hear me loud and clear. I see a message from Murphy that there's no voice. Murphy, I hope you can hear me loud and clear. Well, just waiting for someone to tell me that my voice is as good as always and as melodious as always. Audible, lovely. Have you ever heard such a beautiful voice ever in your life, Murphy? Such a perfect Indian accent. Beautiful, isn't it? All right, enough of fucking around. Lovely ice cream mango is here. We have Mr. Embry Share. Do you think short opportunity? Why would you think short opportunity? Well, I do think short opportunity, but I'll talk about it. Don't worry, mate. Let's start off. Let's start off first. We have 11 minutes before we market opens. So let's just run through the market. Let's just understand where we are, how the market is playing out, and then we'll take it from there and decide what we need to do. Before I do that, there is going to be a funded account giveaway, $50,000 funded account with Humble Funding today. The rules, I'm 100% sure the producer will put it out there. All right. Simple rules. You have to join with our link at Humble Funding. Otherwise, you don't get, obviously. But there are simple rules associated. Do that. It's for everyone, mentees, non-mentees, everyone. So let's see who is the fastest. And I will choose the winner based on whosoever has the best DP. Not kidding. I'll choose the winner randomly. All right. Through their dash. I will be, Murphy, I'll be going through their dash completely in another video. Not today, but I will be doing it. Let's do the giveaway and trading today, and then we'll go through that most likely tomorrow, if that's okay with you. So I can get you as a viewer tomorrow as well. See, smart boy. All right, quickly, let's go. So weekly is looking ultra bullish again. I was basically of the mindset that we might be turning, our headspace down, going towards this fair value gap. But the reaction from this weekly fair value gap as of now is very, very bullish. This week we have opened with a gap up. We are sustaining that move. Yesterday was a holiday, bank holiday, and kind of bullish price action. But what I want to see now is how does price react when it enters this opening gap. So new week opening gap is going to be basically very, very crucial. I think it will decide how, it will dictate how does this price react overall. So you want to see price go back inside of it and see the reaction of it, and I think that would happen. If not, then we will achieve higher targets, and well, we'll be bullish. But as of now, my thought process is yes, I think that should happen. But yeah, weekly is looking good as of now. Daily is looking good as well. We basically swept all this liquidity. We treated a change in state of delivery, and then we went down, took the liquidity. So if people were like, oh, change in state of delivery done, you were bearish. Yes, it did work out, right? Change in state, bearish, to next liquidity. That is your internal range liquidity, took that out and then started pushing up. So theoretically, the market is playing out as it should. It's not doing anything stupid. It is doing what it should be doing. So I don't have any complaints. It's I mean, if we were bearish and we did not trade Wednesday, Thursday, Friday the way we wanted to, then our mistake. But I had some good days in between them, and I did not trade yesterday. But until then, I was having good days. Overall, the market was bearish until we were below this fair value gap, but now we are above it. So now you turn your head and you say, okay, let's turn bullish again until proven otherwise. Always remember, guys, in trading, this whole phrase, until proven otherwise, is very, very, very strong. All right. It is the most crucial phrase that you will ever hear. You need to stick to your bias until proven otherwise. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to stick to my bias until proven otherwise, which is now turned bullish. So looking at the 4-hourly chart, we have nice order block. So let's talk about it. So we had a nice order block. We had a fair value gap. Now we are bouncing out of this, area. There was a small BPR that was created, and we are now turning that BPR into bullish price action. So overall, a good reaction again from this fair value gap. You have a unicorn model to play from. You also have this order block that you can measure, and you can basically put it and try to dictate where the market might want to go. So first targets will be around 30,063 area. That is the sweep of all these equal highs. And the next target will be 30,490 area. Let's see whether we achieve the 400% target or not. But as of now, the bounce is good. We are inverting the fair value gap. So everything looks bullish, right? We don't want to be, bearish. So the ice cream mango is, the stream is a little unsharp at 720p. Would be nice if we could be 180p. That is weird, because let me check if no, my It is always 180p. I'm not sure why it is turning out to be that. Let me check. I'm going to have a look. My friendly ice cream mango. So give me 1 second. We still have 7 minutes. So I have a couple of seconds to kind of just go in and see what's going on. Dun, 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 dun. So if I go to content and I go to the stream, my live, yeah, we still have enough time. Don't worry. So I go into this live. Live stream. I want to go to the studio. Where is the live studio? Get shareable link, brainstorm video ideas. No, there it is. Live control room. I'm checking. Trying to make it better. So okay, it's running at 1080p. Just FYI. I'm not sure why it's showing up as 780 only, 720 only, but that's very, very weird. And I will fix it. I don't understand why that's happening. So let's see. There has to be something that has changed because, well, don't worry. I'll make sure it works properly next time. Not sure why this happened. Very weird. It's okay. I'll sort that out later. Sorry about this today. If it is a bit untidy, I apologize for that. I'll sort it out later. All right. So cool. Okay, where was I? So yeah, 4 hourly is basically turning bullish right now. When the question that came through, which was right over here, do we have a short opportunity from Mr. Emre Shre? Oh, zero, whatever. Do we have a short opportunity? Yes, we do have a short opportunity, and that short opportunity is initial push up into this liquidity and then a rejection down. If that happens, I'll be happy to take a short, and I'll be happy to take a short to, let's see where. I'll be very honest. I think it can, if it starts going lower and after the sweep, there is lack of displacement, which I don't see yet. Look at the way we retested this high. There will be a good short opportunity, but it's after all these equal highs have been swept and we see lack of displacement. If we don't see any lack of displacement, no, there is none, right? Looking at the 1 hourly chart, I think it's a beautiful looking chart as of now. So you basically measure the move from here to here. You went into 50%, you clipped it, you swept all the liquidity from this low, and then you started pushing higher, retest of fair value gap. So bullish order flow is being respected, inverting this fair value gap. So that's looking inverted already, this fair value gap. So that's looking good as well. Overall price looks good. There is no order block, minor order block over here. Yeah, we can give it some importance, but a lot of equal highs up top. So that is the draw on liquidity. And that's why the whole thing said targets are clear. The targets to the upside were very, very clear. That's where the market wants to go. So yeah, let's see 90 minutes quickly. Again, inversion of this fair value gap. So that's good. We are turning bullish. So this gap is gone. It's being retested. That's great. Bullish. I have a lot of noise here. So let's get rid of the noise. 15-minute. Okay. So overall, intraday liquidity wise, Asia low is gone. London Q1 low is gone. London low was created. Previous day high was retested. 50% done. Looking good overall. And we can basically take targeting from here, which will again put us in the same area as that order block targeting. So it's round about here, right? So that seems like an achievable target. What I want to see is when the market opens in 3 minutes time, do we go down first and just sweep this low? Like, we go down, tap into this fair value gap. And if I get a 1 minute change in state of delivery or 1 minute inversion, I would love to take that trade to the upside, right? I'm happy for price to go into this as well. So until we are trading above 29,883 area, I'm quite happy to take a long position if I get an opportunity. But again, when the market opens, it can rally quickly. And if that happens, well, there's no opportunity. And then we wait for market to sweep all these highs and try to decide from there, how do we want to trade it? Cool. Producer, could you check why is the stream running in 720p and not 1080p? There has to be something that's not right in the setup. So yeah, we need to kind of find that out. Just do some research on it. What really happened? So yeah, that's one thing. Thank you, producer sir. Okay, cool. But 2 minutes to go. I'll take the highs and hellos now. So hello, Kumar. Hello, Po. Hello, Ilyara. Hello, Stephen. Murphy, I've already talked to you so much. Hello, Danny. How are you doing? Hello, Ice Cream Mango. Hello, Moon Yarding. Hello, Mr. Zam. ZA. Is that ZA or is that some other Zam now? This guy has so many accounts, I don't even know who he is anymore. Good. Yeah, today morning, this was a beautiful trade. Took a long this morning. Kind of took it later after the mentee stream, but we discussed what we were expecting, and everyone was kind of on the same page. Plan was very clear. Asia lows being swept, and then just waiting for price to just bounce back, and it was a beautiful bounce. Like this was the long. I got stopped out somewhere around here. I closed it manually. My stop loss was down here, but I closed it manually. I would have been stopped out no matter what. So nice trade overall. Worked out well. Let's see. Now I'm just looking at retracement leg of this range. So this is what you want to see. Price goes deep. Maybe this order block. Yeah, this would be a nice place to long. If we can hit this area nicely, let's just get rid of this. This is out of the way. Out of the way. Out of the way. Okay, you go away as well. Thank you. All right, market is open. Quick rally to the upside. I want to see a little bit push on the 1 minute chart, a change in state, and then give me an opportunity. Don't just rush higher. So nice 1 minute closure above. I don't want the market to just keep rushing. I want it to stall a bit. I'm short from 880. You're short from 880. Yes, bro, you should you're short from 880. You should stop your trade. How will you go break even? You're already in loss. Murphy, if you're short from 880, you should be already in a loss, right? Like now you are break even, literally now. So it has hit into that order block. So that's what I wanted to see. Now I want to see the next candle and see how it responds. You think if the war starts again, NQ could dump? Of course it could. It could dump without the war. I mean, see guys, news is mostly digested into the market. It doesn't really matter much in my opinion. That's my opinion, and I could be completely stupid in that. But in my opinion, it doesn't really matter much. People already know whether the war is going to start or not, and they would position themselves, and their positions are quite massive, so they already move the market a lot. So yeah, I don't rate that highly. The market already tells you, most of the news is already digested into the market by the time people start trading. People like me start trading, especially. ZA, bro, can you make one account? It's so much easier for me to then know who you are. All right, so let's see. By the way, can we play the rules for the giveaway as well, please? So I'm still waiting. Have you achieved the target for this back-to-back fair value gaps? No, little bit further push down. So these are the rules. It's going below, going down below. You don't have to do much. All you have to do, just keep playing the rules, bro. Why did you remove them? My producer, you'll be fired, man. Thank you. So it's very, very clean. Follow us on Twitter. Follow Humble Trading on Twitter. Like and join. You don't need to do that shit. Like the video if you can. And then join our Discord. And there's a channel on Discord called Giveaway. Post all the screenshots there that you have done all the things. And then there we go. You are part of the giveaway. And if you win, you get a 50K account for free. So yes, the giveaway channel is a giveaway entry channel. Just post your screenshots there that you have done all three things and you're part of the giveaway entry. So it's up to you whether if you have too much money and you don't want a free account, that's totally your call. If you want a free account, it's totally your call. But the rules are simple. And now the Discord scan QR code is on top as well. So you can just scan it from your phone to join the Discord group. You don't have to do much if you are not on Discord, obviously. So that's the 1 minute acceleration gap target achieved. Now I just want to see us reacting. I'm not in a trade yet, and I really want to see those liquidity taken. I'm not going to take a short midway. So that's just me being stupid, I think. If they don't want, just pass on to me. Well, you can do the same thing. Maybe you'll win. So just waiting now, waiting game. What I want to see is, well, this engulfing will be massive. So I need to kind of find a shorter hand to play here. Yeah, that's fine, bro. 4 hours still has 26 minutes to close. It's okay if it flips red. It could flip green. That's fine. Don't get too concerned about that. And if you don't get a trade, we don't get a trade. That's fine. We have a bias, right? We are trying to play our bias. There is clear liquidity up top, right? Oh, look at that mess. Let's just remove all this. We don't need this. So as we can see, there's clear equal highs up top, clean equal highs. So until they are not taken, if I'm jumping into shorts after this fair value gap was inverted, yes, we are getting rejected, but as of now, I still need to stay bullish. I really can't turn bearish. And I would love it if it keeps going down and I get an entry lower, because if I get a reversal from lower down, I'll get more R. So I'm happy. I'll not be sad. Don't worry. I'm just going to put that back in. Just this one. Yeah, that's it. So let's see, 2 minutes. Okay, cool. That's fine. 5 minutes is looking bad, but that's a good thing at the same time, because we can get a sweep out here, a nice little sweep and a reversal from here. That would be good to trade. You finally see some green. Nice. So the first 5 minute candle has closed now. I could very well play the orb if I leave a fair value gap here, but I don't want to. I don't think it's a good idea. Number one, we've not yet had a proper closure outside of the 5 minute order block. Like we have dipped down, but not a closure yet. So I don't want to kind of jump into this trade. I just want to wait. All right, let's see. Mr. F has already done fastest finger first. Subscribed. Nice. Humble funding. Just follow them, brother. Following. Nice. Squid Trader following. Oh man, this guy is fast. Mr. F, you're fast. You are the only entry right now. So if by the end of this video, Mr. F, nobody else enters, you have won. You have won yourself a nice little 50K account. By the way, guys, we are now official affiliates with Humble Funding. Yes, I do make a little bit of money when you buy stuff from them, but you also get discounts. So they pay me. It's not you. So you don't have to worry. And our nice coupon is very simple, Squid. So yeah, easy. Well, if you've completed all the steps, just take the bloody screenshot and post it out there. Sammy has done it. Sammy, you won the last one, mate. You never contacted. Oh, no, you did. You did. I forwarded. Did you get your account, Sammy? Sammy, did you get your account, brother? From Bitfunded. On Discord, there's a channel called Giveaway Entry. Just post it there. So just keeping my eyes peeled on this chart now. Mr. F, Team Montana. Yes, hope is a good thing. Hope is a good thing. We'll do it every Tuesday. Don't worry. Even if you're unlucky this week, we'll do it again next week. Next week, the rules will be a bit different, but not so different. If you're already on my Discord, you're already part of the family. And if you're part of the family, my job is to get best things for you. right? We don't charge anything for Discord. It's bloody free. So just join. It's not like you have to join, you have to pay, then you are in the giveaway. No, just fucking join. Do some banter. If you want, you can abuse me. If you want, you can say stupid things to me. I'll be completely cool with that. So this is why I was not looking to short straight away, even though nice price movement as of now. I like, we have not yet closed below this order block, right? That is bullish for me. That's really bullish for me that as of now, we haven't done that. So once we close below that 5-minute fair value gap on the 5-minute time frame, obviously, that's when I'll be a little worried that, oh, something is changing. As of now, it's just a matter of wait, watch, let the market do its thing, and then you react. And the reaction is just wait. Just let it do what it's doing. If we get an opportunity to short, we'll short. We need one win to flip red. One weekly candle to flip red. Okay, that would be a big day for you then if you are short. Yeah, 1 week. Yeah. So I'm keeping an eye on this fair value gap to see how we react, because we do have back-to-back fair value gaps on 2 minutes right over here, which are giving nice targets, but the 200% is already achieved. So if we are able to basically push up and close above and turn this, invert this, right, that would indicate to me that the selling pressure is over. But until that happens, I just need to wait and let the market do what it's doing, just not be overexcited to take a trade. Now, this could be very well be a trade in 43 seconds. I hope it doesn't run away, because I can't take it yet. So just waiting for it to not run away. 30 more seconds to go. I'll use this body as a stop loss, the body of these candles. In 12 seconds, I'll enter the long position. Okay, I'm gonna enter a long position here. Oh, fuck you, bad fill. My fill is somewhere around here. So 3-hour trade to the liquidity that I've been pointing out from morning. So let's see whether we go for that liquidity or not. So 3-hour trade, I'm in a long, let's see. Critical area, this one, because we are in the 5-minute fair value gap and the top of it. So if we can invert this 5-minute fair value gap and push higher, this could be a very quick TP. It's not like a massive move, but let's see. No TP yet. There's not enough move in there yet. First TP will be like somewhere around here, these highs. So this is where I'll take the first TP, and then I'll just move to break even and let the trade play out and see. Good push, good candle, beautiful candle now. Nice closure. You just want this sustained move to work. And if we leave another fair value gap right here, we could basically take our TP. Yes, this would be great. I'll not take any other TP. If we leave a fair value gap here as well, I'll not take a TP here. I'll take full TP at the top. But all depends on whether we leave a fair value gap or not. And I'll just move my TP to, no, to be honest, that's fine. To be honest, I'm going to move my TP to this area, 400%. Yeah, that would be my final TP, and I'll see how we react here and manage the trade accordingly if we reach there. So 15 more seconds. I want this candle to close outside this order block. Sorry, outside this area. So that would give me more confidence that the price wants to push higher. Yep, something like that. If you want, you can take a TP here. That's more than 1 hour. So you can take a TP here. You can basically relax a little bit and be like, okay, I've taken some money off the market. And with that also, I'm going to move my stops to this candle's low. So this will be my new stop loss. Okay, cool. How many entries have we had? We have had, ooh, nice. This time it's gonna be fun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 entries. Nice. This is going to be a fun choice for me to make. How do we do it? Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to ask ChatGPT. I'm going to send him a screenshot and I'm going to do a random generator in front of you guys so that nothing is hidden. Nobody blames me or favoritism in any way. And we'll do a random generation. Let me just prepare that. Let me just prepare that, friend of mine. Okay. Okay, cool. I've told him. So I'll send him the number of entries that we have in total. It will pick a random number, and that random between that and 0 and 1 and the number of entries, and that is going to be the winner. So very simple. I think I'm being honest, trying to be honest at least. And there are 23 people on Twitter. I don't know if you guys follow us on YouTube or not, and if you're on Discord or not. I'll put the banner for Discord. Do join, guys, please. I'll really appreciate. It's a free community. There's no charge, nothing. It's totally up to you. If you ever get a winner from us and you want to tip us, there is a tip the staff. Yeah, we'll appreciate if you tip us, even if it's $1, man. $1 is more than enough. I get rich by that. If I get $1 from each and every person that is alive, I'm a billionaire. So yeah, feel free to join us. Feel free to talk shit to us in the Discord, whatever you like, whatever turns your boat. No, whatever. What's that English phrase? Whatever. Nick is going to be around. Nick, are you around? What's that English phrase, bro? Whatever. Do what? Something boat? No, not boat. Something. I don't know. Where is Nick? Is Nick not around today? Nick, are you there? Floats your boat. Yeah, floats your boat. Yeah, thank you, guys. I love you. Sarah, I forgot Sarah is British as well. I could have asked her. No. Okay, I'm gonna take a. I don't know. My brain is not braining. Where are we? PM high, Asia high. We still have loads of liquidity up top. Fucking loads of it. I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna take a TP route right about 29,975 area. Or I'm gonna take a TP at 30,000. Fuck it. Fuck the world. Fuck everything in this world. 30,000 TP. Nothing before that. I'm just gonna move my stops now. To be honest, I'm gonna go break even and take a TP. Yeah, let it be. Let's not be greedy. So I'm taking half TP. Half the position is closed. Rest of it is at break even. Cool. And okay, cool. And yeah, final TP is 400%. So yeah, chill, relax, and we see. All right, nice move as of now. I like it. So I should be getting like 23 new people on Discord. How many do I have? I have 1. Wow, that means the Twitter people don't love me. Traders Paradise. Ah, he's a lucid trader. Nice. Welcome, Traders Paradise. How are you? To Mac, Niels, you're a rich guy. You don't want free funded accounts. Niels, I thought you're bloody rich. If not, sorry. I mean, you're on the path to be rich. If not now, soon enough. We do have back-to-back fair value gaps on. No, we don't. So 5-minute looks beautiful, but we are reaching the exhaustion point. So yeah, I mean, if you know me, I'm not a greedy person. I like to get out of trades when we are reaching exhaustion, right? I feel we are about to reach exhaustion. So I'm not going to be greedy, and I'm going to be like, okay, I'm going to move my stops to this area, 29,933.5. Because if the market comes down here, maybe let's say hits this order block, reverses, I'll take a long again. I'm not so worried about that, but just being greedy and not moving your stops and thinking that, oh, I'm going to get that home run, is stupidity. So let's do that. Niels, I'm going to tell you, your path is very clear. You have already done the first thing, mate. You have already done the first thing to get to success. That's being hungry and trying to learn and reaching out to the right people. You've already done that. I always tell like people who get in touch with me, like for mentorship or even like normally, I always tell them the same thing, and it's repetitive, I know, but it's, you've already done the first most important thing, that you are willing to learn, and to learn you are reaching out. Like you accept that there are people who know better than you, and most of the people can't even do that. They are just too stubborn. They feel they know everything. Like I don't know anything. Like I go to different resources to learn. I always try to learn as much as I can. Even though I've been profitable for good years, I've been trading well, I've been doing well, honestly. I'll not say numbers, but I've been doing well. I've been pretty happy with my life, but still, I still go out to learn. Every day morning, I study no matter what. So like right now, if believe it or not, right now, I'm literally just studying AI. So I'm building out this guy. See, I can't show you because I'm not sharing that screen, but I'm just studying how to build new agents with Claude. And Danny basically came up to me and he said, oh, I've done something with this. And I'm like, I need to talk to you. But that guy is so busy, he doesn't want to tell me anymore. So Danny, this is like a sarcasm hidden message that we need to talk. I want you to teach me how you did what you did. So let's see. I'm liking this accumulation. I feel there's going to be a quick drip down and then a push higher. I hope I'm not stopped with that. All right. So if I'm not stopped with that, that would be a great thing. But if I'm stopped by that, that's still fine, because that would be around 2.22 hours something on this trade. And I'm quite okay with that. Danny's saying, when possible, Mr. Singh, could you go over the entry and SL management? So I'm stopped out on this. So SL management was shit, Danny, just FYI, if the price bounces from here, but that's fine. Overall, I would say a beautiful trade. Took a TP right about here, 2.6 hour, and then got stopped around 1.5. So not a bad trade overall. 50% on 2.6, that 1.3, that's around 2 hour overall. I'm happy. I think I'm just going to wait now for this to be swept, liquidity, and then take a trade, because I feel that's going to be swept. I mean, if you really are pushed, itchy in your hands, let's take a half risk trade. Okay, why not? Let me show you guys some nice little tricks then. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna go long here. So I'm gonna go long first quickly. It's a half risk trade. Okay, I'm long and I'm going to be targeting this. So 2.68 hour, that will be 1.3 hour overall. My entry is a little higher, so it's somewhere around 2948. So this is my entry. The reason, oh, by the way, this is not an SL anymore. So the reason I'm going long half risk is simple. You have an order block here on the 15-second time frame, or stop loss should be a bit lower, but I can't change it because that's my rules. Fuck it, I should have seen it before, but that's fine. So we have an order block here on 15 seconds, which led to the sweep of the 200%. We have unswept liquidity up top, and I'm basically targeting that liquidity after hitting the order block and a nice candle out of it. So if I win this trade, that will be another 1.3 hour winner added. I'll not take a TP on this. I'll just go for the full TP, full bounty. Well, now getting back to the previous trade. Sorry, Danny. Sorry. Where did we enter? Damn it. Okay, let this sit like this. I'll go to 1 minute. I should see that. 2 minutes maybe. Oh, damn it. I mean, we know where we entered that one, so I'll just put it. So the entry was very simple. Once we went to this 5-minute order block. So this is the 5-minute order block that we had. Okay, we didn't close below it, and the next candle pushed inside of it. All right. So next candle pushed inside of it with a wick below, sweeping. Even though this whole area was swept, it swept it again. It swept the previous candle's low, pushed inside. That's the CRT model, right? And after that, the market basically started pushing up, inverting this fair value gap and close to inverting this fair value gap. I entered a bit early compared to what others would have. But for me, it was like, okay, it makes sense. I will enter over here. That's completely fine. I think I'm stopped out on the 15-second trade now. Yeah. So I'm out of that 15-second trade. I'm done. So 0.5 are gone out of the winner. 1.5 are up for the session. That's fine. But yeah, so once the market closed here, inverting this fair value gap, that gives me an understanding that, hey, the market wants to push higher from this order block, right? And the market pushed, and we basically had a back-to-back fair value gap. So we got our first, initially I was thinking I'll take a TP here, but once we had back-to-back fair value gaps, I knew, once we had 2-3 candles, this was powerful. And I said, if we have back-to-back fair value gaps, I'll not take a TP here. I'll take a TP here somewhere. And that's what happened. We basically took a TP, market reversed. We had a fair value gap in regards of stop loss management. We pushed out with a fair value gap. We moved our stops to the low of that candle body. Logically, you don't expect when you have back-to-back fair value gaps, I don't expect the second fair value gap to be tapped like that. I would always expect it to be like, not tapped at all. First one should do the trick. But it came down to grab liquidity. Now it has grabbed liquidity. It is pushing up. Coming to the second trade, same order block. And I was like, okay, we're going to push higher. We did, but then we just swept the lows again. That's fine. And if you get a change in state of delivery here, you can still long it with this stop loss and again target the same area. Like this one did not work. That one did work. But overall, it was simple management. Nothing new, nothing that I don't do normally. Same things. Look at the chart, see what the chart is doing. Try to play the chart. That's it. Does that answer your question, Danny? I hope it does. So I will be waiting, right, guys? I will be waiting for us to kind of see how we react to this liquidity, because I feel that liquidity will be taken. If not right now, maybe in a bit. If not, if we are not live, that's fine. But I think that liquidity has to go. It could very well be at 3 p.m. in 5 minutes time. It will just have a wick, take all that liquidity and just dump down straight. If that happens, I'm happy to take a short. Otherwise, until that liquidity is taken, every time price goes down, it's a buying opportunity for me. So I'm happy either way. If the price goes down from here into this fair value gap, I'm happy to take a long back up. So it's basically you're playing the market based on your draw on liquidity. Till the time that draw is not achieved, you can keep trying to do the same thing again and again. Like even the 15-second trade, we just had this 1 minute candle that went down. Otherwise, that would have been a winner as well. Bro, do we have giveaway from both accounts? One Squid Traders and no, Squid Traders and Deswal is the same thing. We are buddies, friends forever. He's like me in a different body. That's it. Yes, a new high is 100%. New high is like 15 seconds away. I'm gonna call you M. So this guy, Emre Shre. Oh, I'm gonna just call you M. Sorry, man, my English is not that great. It's gonna be tough for me to pronounce that name ever. Yeah. So till the time we are waiting, let's do the winners. So how many people do we have for giveaway? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 people. And I'll just message here, everyone, giveaway entries are closed. So that everyone knows giveaway entries are closed. So we have 11 people. And I'm going to quickly share just random number generation. I'll bring the output. So here, okay, 11. Ta-da! And let's do this. Not yet. Let's see. ChatGPT cannot generate a random number. It's taking. So the winner is number 7. Well, I like it because I am a United fan. So 7 is a very, very important number for me. Right. So the winner of this giveaway is number 7. And who is number 7? So number 7 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Mr. Traders Paradise. You're coming from Mr. Deswal. You have followed Humble. That's fine. Can you follow Squid as well, brother? Mr. Trader Paradise, follow Squid Traders as well. I mean, you have followed this well, that's fine, but follow Squid Traders as well. That's me being cute. No, not cute. Me being needy. Follow Squid Traders as well, sir. That would be great if you can. And that would be lovely. So, Mr. Trader Paradise, if you can reach out to me on Discord, my name is Mr. Squid Trader. Just tag me in the chat and I will send you the ways in which you should claim your account. Congratulations on winning a 50K winner at the rate Trader Paradise. Sorry for others, but we will have another one next Tuesday. So do not be disappointed. I'm still your friend. What the fuck? Murphy, you are Trader Paradise as well now? Damn it. You are Trader. I don't care. You need to message me on Discord, not here. I can't believe you. Because Murphy and Trader Paradise don't look like same. Like Murphy feels much more fun person, whereas Trader Paradise feels much more paradisey person. So message me on Discord. But yeah, message me on Discord. I'll send you the steps in which you need to kind of get the accounts. All right, so nice. I'll just get back to the charts, guys. Sorry. I know we are here to trade. So let's get rid of all this shit. All right, nice sweep. A little sweep has happened, which I do not rate as a sweep. I want this to push one more time, one more. Now get down. Okay, I'm gonna look for a short here. I mean, if we get an opportunity. So good. Leave a fair value gap, yes. And now push down and invert it. You can do it. You can do it. Come on. Push it. Market may be exhausted. Well, let me tell you something. Never assume that the market are exhausted. Always wait for the confirmation. Let's just stay here. Let's just, let it do its thing. Because what I want to see right now, I'll be very honest, is this. This is my prediction. And then down. So I wanted to sweep that high again. Okay, cool. Thank you. I will get in touch with you after the stream. For others who have not won, Humble Funding is not like, a very, very old firm. They're new. But on a personal level, they have given me confidence on the platform that they have, on the things that they are offering, and on the funding that they have provided and the payouts that they have given. So please, if you really want an account, they offer 10 accounts, 10 express accounts, right? Very well priced, and you get 35% off with our code. We also make some money. All right, I'm not gonna lie, we make some money of that. But I can promise you, if we make a lot of money, I'll only buy, and the worst thing that I will buy is a Rolex Daytona from your money, nothing else. I promise you. That's my next aim. All right. So please go buy Humble Funding accounts so that I can get my Rolex. Okay. Promise me you'll do that. But it's not from your money, it's their money, because they pay me from their commission. Not really you. You still get the funding. Yeah, Steve, I really want to buy. So I registered for one and they haven't, it's been fucking 1 year. I've been waiting for it. They're crazy. I mean, I'm like, what the fuck? I booked a Rolex for my wife as a push gift and they didn't give it. And I messaged them, the baby's about to come. Can you please give me the bloody thing? And they didn't yet. Oh, not the Thai one. I really don't want the Thai Rolex. I really want the Rolex. And not a stolen one. I know you run a cartel. By the way, guys, don't go on this. Guys, do not trust this guy who is a panda on Discord as well. He runs a clan. He'll find you and he'll kill you. Well, I do honest giveaway, man. I mean, you are lucky. Like ChatGPT loves you. So I'm gonna wait. I'm not yet sold on the short just yet. A lot of price action here, which is bullish in nature. It says Rolex. Oh, fucking hell, bro. And you're charging 500 for that shit. It just says Rolex on it. All right, all right. All right, so I mean, I can stay 5 more minutes. I'm hungry though, and I want to eat. I'm just trying to see whether is it worth staying 5 more minutes, or is it gonna take longer? Yeah, it might take longer. It might take like half an hour for this trade to play out. Yeah. Yeah, Casio has some good watches. I know. I mean, for me, Rolex is like, it will sound very cringe, but I have always like met people, traders, like, who have had great watches and all that shit. And I was like, I want to get one. But always my thought process was, why the fuck do I need a watch? But now I've reached a stage of life where I feel more than my clothes, my watch is what tells. So I'm like, okay, fine, I'll get a watch. And then I started, exploring all the watches. So I first bought a entry level, and then I bought a Rolex, but that was cheap one. That was what, 9K. But then I wanted a Daytona, and they have not yet given me. I hate them. Yeah, it might take at least 15 minutes, I would say. You will see the next breakout most likely closer to 3:30 UK time. It's not going to happen before that. Doesn't look like. Market seems a bit slow. Not slow as in like slow. It's like it's still making up its mind. That's what I feel. It's not yet sold that I want to dump straight from here. I really wanted to see I want to see a sweep of the highs once again before going down. But if it goes down here, I mean, I'll not be like against it, because we have left a fair value gap. So if the market can really just, push, I'll be happy to take a shot. To be honest, I might take a shot if this is the kind of price action we get. Let's see. Let's let the 1 minute candle close. 11 seconds. Let's just get rid of this. This is a good rejection. You could take a half risk trade here. I will take a half risk trade. Let me first take the trade on the closure. 1 second. Okay, I'm going to enter now. Okay, I'm in. It's a half risk trade. Entry somewhere around here. I'll put my stops just above this. So this is where my stops are. So 17-point stop. If I get stopped out, that's fine. 0.5R. And I will basically aim for all the way down to the new week opening gap. So this is a high reward, low risk trade. Low risk, high reward, or high risk, high reward, whatever you want to call it. But it's basically saying that, okay, if I don't go higher, I'm really exhausted, then I will turn around from here and I'll never invert this fair value gap, right? If I invert this fair value gap, I'll be stopped out for 0.5. Then my day ends straight away. That's the end of my day. Overall 1.5-hour session, and around 2.5 from the morning. That's 4 hour, and I'll just hang my boots for the day and just go and chill. But I will basically be targeting all the way down to Asia lows, which are way further down, which are over here. Right. So let's see what we get. I'll not be surprised if it pushes higher as well, by the way. It will be completely fine by me. And this will be the last trade for me for today. I'll not be looking for any trades after this. But yes, any questions from anyone before I get stopped out and sign off? Any questions from anyone? Anything? Okay, stopped out. I'm done. Done for the day. I am not taking any more trades. Ending the day on plus 4 hour. And yeah, that would be it. All right. Cheers, everyone. Thanks for coming in, and congratulations, Trader Paradise or Murphy. I will reach out to you. I think you have sent me a friend request from what you told me, which I might have received or not. Pending. I have not received your friend request, my friend. Who did you send it to? You need to send it to Squid Trader. So send a friend request to Squid Trader on Discord, Murphy. or Trader Paradise. And we'll see you tomorrow, same time. And take care. Bye bye. And congrats on the winner, guys. Bye bye. What's the average hold?